Hi guys, guess what today is? Today is Temu haul. This haul was so graciously sent to me by Temu. Now, they did give me a code for you guys to use for your first time order, and that is the discount code OFF2472. I will also put it on the screen as well as the description box. Now, I will be unboxing everything, and then I'll do an additional video, a tryout, if you will. So, the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys was this tapestry, and I will put a little clip of that now. But this, when it came in, or when I first initially ordered it, I was like, I bet it's going to be a really crappy material. It is not. I did not iron it. I did absolutely nothing but hang it up. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. But, and it was called, let's see, I've got my notes here. It is the One Piece Forest Tapestry Tree of Life. And it was $5.49. So that's what this cost. The next thing I want to show you is this really pretty lamp. I got this for my Abby girl, and it comes with a USB where you charge it, and then there's a little clicker. So I just thought this was so pretty, and it's made with a pretty good material. The light is not really a light bulb, but, well, I guess it is a light bulb, but it feels more like one of those things you stick in your closet. But so anyway, so we'll definitely be turning. I'm gonna charge this up and show you a video using everything. I better where I'm gonna put all this stuff at. And the next thing we have in here is this little outfit. There's the shorts. These are obviously for my grandson. So these are the shorts, and this is the top. And it was Papa's idea. My Zachary is a Papa's boy for sure. And that was this, the lamp is called the One Piece Purple Butterfly Table Lamp Bedside Nightlight Wood Base Room. This was $9.49. The little shorts outfit is just called two-piece boys casual solid color short sleeve shorts suit. And this was $7.79. So we've got that. Then we've got these 2 tablets. Now, this is my fault because I thought I ordered them both the same size, but I didn't. So I got a blue one. This one is the 8.5 inch, and the pink one is the 10 inch. And it's just it uses an LCD. And you can scribble and you can erase it, delete. Anyway, once again, I'll put some batteries in these, and after the kids play with them, I will show these in action. But these were, let's see, the 8.5 inch was $4.99, and I don't have a price for the other one, but I will put all of this linked. So there's that. And then we have this reusable face towel mask, a hot and cold compress. Make your skin breathe easily. And I just thought this was perfect because I suffer from migraines. I thought this would just be perfect for that. I had something very similar to this many, many years ago, and I really enjoyed it. You could just kind of lay it over your face. But this was $1.99, and it's just called the Coral Fleece Hot Compress Towel Reusable Spa Facial Towels. So we got that, and then we got these 2, and to be fair, I thought these were bigger, but these are the Father's Day. It says Father's Day Gifts Home Decor. And these were $1.49 a piece, but they say Papa's Fix-It Shop. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But if it is broke, take it to Papa. So, and they have 2 little holes in the back, and then it comes with a little string. But I thought these would be perfect for the kids to give to their grandpas. But that's what they look like. And of course it comes with a little wood hanger. And then we've got you put everything out. Okay. Then we got this LED starlight. It's just a projector. And we thought this would be perfect for the grandchildren. It comes with a little remote and USB, and it's about this big, and it displays on the ceiling, and we thought that would be really cute for the kids. Kind of got one for Abby and one for Zach as a little nightlight. But there's that. And this was $6.49. Has 7 color patterns and a remote control. Then this is the do-it-yourself 5D diamond painting sunflower by number kits for adults. This was 11.8 by 15.7 inches, and this was $4.99, and I'm not gonna open it yet because I'm sure it's got literally a million pieces, but I think this was going to be super fun to work on. And then we got this 3D ear type anti-skid, anti-dropping fixed facial mask. This was $1.99, and I had seen Zelda at Silver Curls Zelda have one of these on. She was doing a mask, and she put one of these on over the mask to hold it in place because they don't always stay. They droop on me. And she had sent me where you could find it at on Amazon, and I just hadn't ever pulled the trigger to get it. But then I saw this on Temu, and I thought, wow, that's neat. This will, you put it on top of your mask and hook it behind your ears, and your mask is going to stay secure. So I was super excited with, my little $1.50 find. Okay. Then we got these shoe charms, and these were $2.99, and I think this one has 20 or 25 in it. 20. They're random, and they're just adorable. And the babies love Crocs. I love Crocs, but I'll just kind of hold a few of them up. Some of them, I don't have a clue what they are, but I don't know what that is, but then it goes on Crocs. And then you have, Buzz Lightyear. Zach's gonna love that. And then we got a Christmas candy cane, a little cute unicorn, and there were some I saw. A little pink Stitch. Oops, I dropped one. I think that's just like a door. So anyway, now it actually came in 2 packages, and so we'll get this one opened. I haven't looked in this. I looked in the other because as the mail person dropped these off, my mom happened to be here, and I wanted to show her about this. So she saw me open the first part. And alrighty, so the first thing that I want to open is this May Cheer Egyptian style shading powder, and I got it in shade 1. Now I got this because I watch the Taylor, or her channel is Taylor Wynn now, and she ordered some Wish. This was $3.79. She had ordered some Wish. This is her video several years ago, and one of the powders that she raved on was, I remembered, named May Cheer. So I thought, okay, well, I'll add this and see. So we'll test that out. But it comes in a nice little box, all sealed up. And then, I forgot to show these. These are sleep headphones, and these were $7.99. And this, every night I had to go to sleep with headphones in. And this comes with the little USB, but this is a headband with some, the controls there, and the little speaker earbuds are right there, so you can, if you're working out, or I got it for sleep, literally sleep. I mean, there it is right there, Plus it'll hold your hair back. It'll do all the good things. So, I was very excited about that. Now, let's open up these two. Let's see what this is. This is, the liquid blush. This was $1.99. It says, cheek water flip blush. But the description says, small feeding bottle, liquid blush, 12 grams for $1.99. So that is what that looks like. That is super tiny. Super duper tiny. And then the next thing I do believe is a palette that I ordered. Because I think this is it. Yeah. And this should be the 12 Colors Eye Makeup Matte Glittering Waterproof Eyeshadow Palette with Brush. $1.99. Oh yeah, this one was the one that, this one had some shades of purple that I thought were really cute. And yeah, this one was $1.99. So that's it for this Temu haul. I am super pumped to get some of this stuff charged up and show you what it looks like. Again, I have this code that they gave me off of your first order for new users. And I know a lot of us now are in this Temu affiliation type thing. So, if you don't want to use mine, there's plenty others that have this code to get save you some things. It's free shipping. This stuff took, let's see, this took about maybe 2 weeks to get here. It came from, it was postmarked in New York. So, and I'm in North Carolina, but, they get it to you as soon as they can. So, I look, like I said, I look forward to showing off some of this stuff. But until then, be beautiful, be kind, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.